Welcome to Global Data 365. Today, we're diving into an essential feature in Excel data validation. It's a super useful tool that ensures the data you enter into your spreadsheet follows specific rules. Let's start with custom validation for specific numbers. Firstly, select range B4 to B14. Then go to Data Validation in that open the Allow dropdown and choose Whole Number. Set the criteria to allow numbers between, for example, 10 and 100. And hit Apply. Now let's try the custom validation and enter numbers in between range. Both the numbers are okay. Moreover, if I try to enter a number outside the range, and we get an error message. So similar, let's try to add custom condition for text length. Firstly, select range C4 to C14. Then, go to Data Validation in that open the Allow dropdown and choose text length. Set the criteria to allow the length between, for example, 3 and 5. And hit Apply. Now let's try some examples. Those with 3 text length works. Well, but let's try more than 5 character it through the error. That means we can customize this also using data validation. Next, let's try validation for dates. We can also use data validation for dates. Let's say we want to ensure that users only enter dates from the specific date onwards. So for that, select a column for date entries. In data validation, choose date and set the criteria for dates greater than 1 August 2020. Now by this user can only enter dates August 2020 onwards. Otherwise user get the error. Most interesting is that we can use data validation for a list as well. This allows users to select values from a predefined list rather than entering anything they want. For that, highlight the range where you want to apply data validation from the ribbon. In the Allow dropdown, type list. For example, let's type China, Japan, US. In this way, the user can only select one from the defined locations. And what if we want to reference the source field in this? For example, the fruit list here. So, for that, select the list items in the source field, fruits, and hit OK. In results, it shows the dropdown in action. Now user can click on any cell in this column and see a drop-down where they can only select one of the options we entered. Easy, right? Now let's talk about custom input message and error messages. You can even customize the input message. Let's set one up so user know exactly what they have to input. For example, for input message title, write enter valid number. And for message, type between 10 to 100. Moreover, we can customize the error message as well by entering a custom title and message. For example, invalid text length, and text length should be between 3 to 5. In this way, your users know exactly what's expected. So, that's it for today's video. As you can see, data validation is a powerful feature that ensures clean and consistent data entry. Whether you're working with lists, numbers, or dates, you can control exactly what goes into your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching. To learn more, visit our website www.globaldata365.com.